addicted to no hard drugs. I tell you, I'm not addicted to no hard drugs. Tiger want me say, go up a papi, go check Tiger.
Who remember when Ninja Man hang three of them over Sting? 88. Flower Gun, Ratty Gun, Junior, Demos, and Red Dragon. Damn, I called 4 names just now. I can't count. Me skip maths class. Me never get more than 17 in maths yet. Anyways, we have a video of Ninja Man and Flower Gun years later as clash in the street at Kingston. I think it's funny. Plus, we have a next video of Ninja Man performing at some place somewhere 88. And the place mash up. So we go watch and laugh and enjoy the Gargan performances. Cause you don't know, say, at summertime, the Gargan push out a road and come a road. Free Ninja.
YouTube, this man just specially.
I just tell about this one time a week. I mean, no one Ninja. I hear me a clash.
Slogan. You are cast iron, but man a real steel. If you beat that man, a gunshot, you guys feel. Just
sponge.
Just some now.
Just some. Box off when you see me.
Just some now.
What? Coke seller. Look what you do to Ninja.
That don't make no sense. Call me cook, the prison, or anything you want. Me look like mango. Me look like banana.
Mango now on a strike.
You look like mango or banana.
Pop off your stripe. You feel like here. You're going to pop off your stripe.
So right, you have to right,
you're going to prepare for it.
Right, you have to right.
Yeah, come in on the fan that fight there.
So can you build something right away?
Right away, I can't do anything.
You build something right away.
No, I need you to nail it to the blood.
Right away, man. Alright, now we have to any tune you build, you better don't start there. Because any lyrics you build, me a counteract it, push the same place on stage and kill you.
No, counteract. Me want you build your own lyrics, because that's what you do every time.
So now my
have people melody.
And the blood come
build your own style. You don't know you go on stage, me want you build your own style. I bring my own style.
If you bring me one style, you're dead before time. Me have to counteract you to keep you in that competition.
Ninja Man, you don't kill me, you know. I remember your spec.
You're dead.
Remember that you don't class, you know. You are Louis, you know.
I mean, Louis is 14 price at Jamaica.
That's a room and it's not family. Whole Jamaica.
Alright.
You don't kill me.
You don't fuck your man. You baby mother too.
It's an alligator you fuck.
Me no mind. Are you breed her before me? Fuck her. You breed her from fuck her. So you fuck her fuck alligator.
You don't know me,
you shall be a mother.
You don't fuck any girl, man. I'm just saying. Ninja Man, easy you say. Me are going to murder you.
Hold on. After 20 and here. Come on, fuck this one, General.
Yeah, man, I'll prepare everything, man.
Go get them unprepared. They're on a pan already, you know. There's an advantage.
Yes, they have a prepare myself.
Floor again, don't forget them unprepared. Don't forget. I sting again, Floor. I sting again, Floor.
When him come kill me, that bus one.
You give them a hard fight, you know, Floor.
Yeah, you see when him clash.
But one of them, Floor.
And 3 bus load of people him carry.
3
bus load, me not carry nobody. And they alone. Him and the management team, Louis, and them thing there. Spread all room apartment. But him no good. If people run from him, them run. They're going to murder it.
Alright.
Him no good.
YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and accept that. We have to find out.
Flower Gun afraid for clash. I mix up in name. Flower Gun say he has to prepare for the clash. He has to go home and go around the drawing table and draw some lyrics. Because I'm not writing right lyrics. I draw lyrics. Then him said Ninja must come with original songs or lyrics. Because he can go off of people. Melody and flow. Because it's a clash. You see how great Ninja be? Ninja one of a few artists who can literally counteract your song on spot. You don't need 24 hours or 3 to 5 business days to come back with a song. That put him at an advantage and whoever must clash with at a disadvantage. Because whatever you say, he's going to counteract it right there and then. While them have to go write lyrics. So when them write 10 songs and them sing one and Ninja and counteract it, They can't counteract what Ninja Man said. So I saw them end up lose and I saw Ninja Man end up win. But me have this clash there and tomorrow may I drop it. Whenever tomorrow be. Look out for it. Yeah man. So we are jumping on the next piece. Ninja Man a perform.
Tell me a Robin Hood. We too poor for bank no live. Come rude boy. Been up in the north. Robin Hood is a man. Come to celebration. Joke him and make me say that joke him and make. Tell too sweet tell the bank of the tech. Bank of the tech and me say bank of the tech. Ninja Man say live and direct. Make your bad boy a town. Me no jam up check. Robin Hood a town and the bank of the tech. Upper Jimmy Duffy take it. Too sweet come with him oversized clip. Him 9 crisp millimeter matic. And him Uzi in case shot a spit. But when him stand up and see me start clip, me wanna rock back master with 99 shot in a hit it up. Bad boy a town and him a run some typical. Bank of his tech, there's a bank of his tech. Hold up! Alright. 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 No all nice and decent celebrity could have set good cause we don't fix good enough. Alright, hear that style of star. Hold on. All youth and youth. Why not this thing we are take the coke and the crap? I found no time now. Remember ganja was fine and Solomon grave, and if a policeman lock you up for burn a spliff, God knows I'm sin. And if it's reality, make me say, this is reality. Nothing but reality. Now hear this rude boy. I say, all I say, decent, brilliant.
Marijuana was found on whose grave? I've never read that in the Bible. Whisper Ninja Man get the part from. The boss sure youngie man. Oh my gosh, young Ninja Man. Boss just up on the stage and a chill and a breeze and people are just being entertained. Ninja, hey, they need to free the Gargan man. Summer this year, summer of a Ninja Man. Anyways, now draw the thing any further.
I'm telling you, I'm not addicted to no drugs. I tell you, I'm not addicted to no drugs. Tiger want me say, go up a papi, go check Tiger. Me and Tiger sit down, I am. We are reason together like two black brother. Tiger said, Ninja Man, this is a warning, you see. Taking the crack is a blasting sin. Remember when me did big and run like barrel. Me start taking crack a manga like a erin. Me lose all of me from them and me not say a thing. Me turn the idiot and me no want a shilling. I'm not addicted to no drugs. I tell you, I'm not addicted to no drugs. Gregory tell me, because go up with me and me go check Gregory. Gregory sit down and a reason with me. Him say, Ninja Man, I am a teacher. But you, I and I man is a elder singer. Me say, me pour out the whole of this whole world, yeah. I know I tell you this roots and culture. Me say, this is not joke, it's not time to grin. Go rock with the coke, wrong and the heroin. Then let we exploit your brand, go up foreign. And making out your pocket, you can't gain a shilling. And this is the word where I and I man shouting. I'm not addicted to no drugs. I tell you, I'm not addicted to no drugs. King Eric want me, but this is the one where me say more serious. This is the one where make me get crazy. When me see King Eric and naked, you see. I walk for Olympic and I show him. I take a young girl for some money. And I make policeman for help him quickly. He would have bend down and lick out the money. And all them there sitting with have no sympathy. I'm not addicted to no drugs. I tell you, I'm not addicted addicted to no hard drugs. You are you. Push up your one, if you is not a poor man. Shout it out, you are one blood gang. Push up your one, me say you're not a poor man. Make me hear you are one blood gang. Sensing me now you hold up. Why that's it?
Push up your hand if you are one blood gang. Shout it out if you are one blood gang. One blood gang. Sense me in a way of smoke. Ninja Gargan. Man, we change dancehall in my opinion. From gimmicks to lyrics. Yeah, man. And at the summer, we hope the Ninja will be freed so we can be entertained, you know, in our mature dancehall old school fashion, old school way. Some way back when lyrics. You see me? Yeah, man. But anyways, another video. Like a video for me. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Come back tomorrow, watch some more video again. Or just click on the channel name and watch our next video. Share the video for me. Share it with your dirty ex. And leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, stay safe. God bless.